Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing how to make hand wash. For this we require a soap, grater and a small bottle of glycerin. Now I am grating the soap. I will now add the grated soap in water. Mix it properly. I am now adding a spoon of glycerin in it. Now I will boil this mixture. Let this mixture cool for 6 hours. Our hand wash is ready. I will put this hand wash into bottle. I will show you all now how this cleans my hands. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon and share to family and friends. Stay home, stay safe.